Happy New Year.
Sinden Kuailer.
Sinden Kuailer.
Gunyan how? I can say that one mother have two brothers.
And the people of yeah, it's second home for you.
China and Pakistan very close to each other.
Pick one. Okay, pick one.
This is
Happy
China's
China.
currency.
Oh, thank you so much.
Take a look at what's
We
inside.
already know that about this culture. We have studied in our 9th class. It was second chapter of China Way to Progress. It was written on that in Chinese tradition. Every New Year they give red packets. 8 different paragraphs about the Chinese culture, and we really appreciate that the people of Chinese are also very good.
So here is one. You can see there's 6 6. In Chinese it means lucky.
Hello Chinese people, we love the Chinese people a lot, and we have a great border between us, but our hearts are really close to each other. Thank you very much, and we really appreciate you. If we come to China, then we also explore China, and love you very much. Thank you.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग चाइना से यहाँ पे आए, पाकिस्तान एक बहुत अच्छा कंट्री है, बहुत सेफ कंट्री है, यहाँ पे आए और यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करें और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें.
China and Pakistan are very close to each other. I can say that my heart close and very close to each other. China's people, I appreciate you, and I can say you are my brother.
I have seen too many videos regarding the Chinese development, and it was an amazing. I really want to have a visit actually to Beijing. I am a medical student, Beijing University, Beijing International University. It was an amazing. It is my wish to be there in China, and I have seen videos on the YouTube regarding the Chinese New Year. The culture was amazing. Literally, I have no words. You guys meet each other, have fun, take care of each other. That was an amazing, and I really miss those things here in Pakistan. Best place for them to visit. Northern areas are pretty much good here in Pakistan, and especially Islamabad.
New Year we will give the red pocket, which is we call it hongbao, and to give them for the good luck and wish them good luck in the year. You guys can pick one. A lot of people are going outside of the city, like far away from hometown, just for work, and they don't have time to visiting, like going back home to see the families. Like today is New Year, and we have the holiday for the New Year. So in this time, we always come home, and no matter how far or tired that we are, but we always wanted to go home for the New Year with family, spend time with families.
People of China mostly wear red color. You also your flag color is also red. On the social media, we have seen this, we have watched this. The mostly places of the China are also red. So it means you all guys, the people of China mostly like red color. I really like China and also Chinese people, and which we have seen and on the social media, and we love you, love from Pakistan.
It's the same message for Chinese, and Chinese are so humble, so loving. So I appreciate you as a Chinese ambassador. I see you as a China's ambassador, that how you portray your culture in Pakistan. And we love Chinese, and we love China. China is our friend. It's a great friend of Pakistan, and we love all Chinese. They are all our brothers and sisters, and well wishes for all Chinese.
And visit Pakistan. Pakistan is a really good and peaceful country.
Pakistan
And the
is the
people
second
of
home for you.
yeah, it's second home for you. Come to Pakistan and visit Pakistan. And so thank you so much. And all Chinese should come here. And it's your neighbor country and also your brother sister country.
चीन में ये मतलब है कि चीज़ें आसानी से चलेंगी और खुशकिस्मती लाएगा. Happy Chinese New Year. I need luck because I have an exam coming in a couple of months. So while growing up in Pakistan, that was very clear to us that there is one friend that is our neighbor, which is China. So even President Xi or previous presidents, all of them, they visited Pakistan. So we had all these celebrations and decor everywhere with formally and informally. So it's always been a relationship of friendship. Even I have not been to China myself, but someday definitely I'm visiting just because of that. Because when you're growing up and thinking about,
Yes.
oh, this is where you need to go. I had some friends who've been and who studied in China, but I have never been myself. But yeah, so relationship with Pakistan and China in particular is our friendship, definitely. Well, definitely Lahore. Yeah, I think if they are into food and culture, Lahore definitely is a place to visit. But I could imagine Karachi being the metropolitan city is a good place to go to as well. Islamabad is nice too. So yeah, there are lots of places to go to in Pakistan for Chinese people, and I'm sure my fellow Pakistanis, they definitely will be very happy to have you here. So I don't know. I mean, well, it's been ages since I was in school, so probably 15 years more than that actually. But I remember vaguely that there was something. It's a vague memory. I'll explain to you. So there was this young Chinese girl. She goes to school and comes back, and then she does her homework. She helps with her mum. She does, with the cooking and everything. There was a chapter on Chinese New Year in particular, which tells about the whole cycle of 12. Every 12 years the cycle changes, and every new year is basically associated with an animal, like you mentioned earlier. This new year is a year of snake. So yeah, so these kind of things, they're kind of teaching things about China, which is good, which is great. So to know already when you grow up, and if you have interest, you can always visit China and learn more about it. And so yeah, knowing that you have a neighbor, very friendly neighbor, who has been supportive all around, the history tells you, and it definitely is. It's a good thing. Happy Chinese New Year to Chinese people. You are the loveliest people, and I'm definitely coming to visit you one day.
Pakistan, China, dosti zindabad. और
China is very good country.
I'm not sure if it's still there. I'm not sure if it is increased or chapters are changed. But just adding a couple of chapters that they were trying to introduce us to Chinese culture, and particularly telling us about Chinese New Year. आपको Chinese New Year की बहुत मुबारकबाद. I wish you the best of luck for this year. So all the Chinese people in welcome to Pakistan.
Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year.
आप चीन दोस्ती
Pakistan Zindabad. China Zindabad.